to the channel. Today we have a $1825 box, $1,825 shipped from Soul Supremacy. Before we get into this box, thank y'all for whoever watched the video and put in orders from the last box. It did really well. That was a dope box. Very good box. Really happy with it. I loaded up last week with Soul Supremacy boxes. Still waiting on the statement box to come through. That's a $1,500 box that hasn't showed up yet. Should be here pretty soon. It's actually supposed to be coming today. So I'm just chilling at the crib waiting on that. But $1825 box, y'all know how I get down. I ain't gonna hold you too long. We're gonna cut it open. Hopefully have some heat in here. $1825, I'm expecting some good stuff. I'm telling y'all, this knife is mad sharp. I showed y'all this in the last video. This one's crazy. $1825, it already looked good from the top view. We got some Royal ones, no box, size 13. This is the, I'm trying to see what release year this was. This is a 2017 release. Got that glitter effect on them, so whoever had them probably didn't rock them that much. They got that glitter on there. If you know about ones and that glitter, you know, it just comes off with a little alcohol wipe down. Check these out. Size 13. Classic shoe. You gotta have a pair or two in your collection. These are dope. Very dope. Everyone's still on that one train. And we got the extra laces here with those. Oh snap. I got another pair of loose shoes. Let me find the other one. This is a first. Never seen these, never had these. We have the off-white Presto used, size 13 also. Kind of beat up a little bit, but still have plenty of life left in them. I've never seen this shoe in person. I was a fan of this shoe when it dropped, but I was not about to pay that resale price on these. These things are going for 1,000 plus dead stock on GOAT and my size. These are pretty used, but I'm gonna have to drop them off to my boy and get these cleaned up before we add them to the IG page. Size 13, no box. Still a very dope pickup. This should bring back a pretty nice chunk of the box back. That's very nice to see. I love seeing those sneakers that I haven't seen in person yet. We got a Nike Air Fear of God 1 in a size 12. No more loosies in this box. Fear of God box. This is real status. Fear of God's dead stock. Size 12. Come with the bag. I didn't even know the bag. I didn't even know this came with a bag. This is a first for me also. Everything in the box, got extra laces, everything in here. Fear of God 1s, check these out. These are crazy. I'm not even gonna lie, these would have been my size. I would have had to make room in the collection. This is a dope shoe to me. I love them. They had like an all mint pair I wanted, but I know if I would have grabbed them, I probably would have only worn them like twice and they would have had to go. It's one of them shoes you pull them out and then let them go, because I don't like being seen too many times with the same stuff, I guess. I don't know, it's just me. Fear of God 1s. This box is hard to put back on. Throw it over here to the side. Very good pickup right there. Them right there going for at least $500-600 bucks. Dead stock. Dang. 10.5. We got a Yeezy powerphase. The Yeezy everybody love. Check these out. Dead stock powerphase. This size 10.5. This right here, man, these shoes got some really good material. This leather is butter. This leather is butter on these. Dead stock pair. Super easy move, super easy list. Love it. We got another Adidas box in here. Same thing, except this is an 8.5. Okay, we got the gray pair. I've never had the gray pair before. Powerphase in the gray colorway. 8.5 dead stock also. Again, the leather is butter on them. We got a Jordan box. Y'all already know what this is. You already know what this is. Size 10, Air Jordan 11. Not dead stock, but pretty clean. We got the Legend Blues, Columbia 11s, whatever you want to call them, size 10. You pull out both of them so y'all can check them out. Size 10. These are pretty clean. Pretty clean. I got a dead stock pair in a size 12 in my personal collection. Somebody bought them for me. I can't fit them. My brother bought them for me, but they're the wrong size. So I just vacuum sealed them up and just keeping them because he gave them to me. Y'all already know how I get down to 11 boxes. They get put back together whenever you get time to put them back together. We've got a New Balance box. MM9s, 92s. I don't know what the deal is with this shoe. Alright, this is my second time having it. These are size 13, by the way. These shoes, these New Balances, I just had them in a beater box that I didn't film. The same colorway. This is a, I want to say Nice Kicks and like another company. It's like a 3 people collab on these 992s. These New Balances, I sold them for $400. A New Balance. That is crazy. Yeah, music. I don't know the exact name. I'll put that on the screen. But New Balance is hidden for $400+. Yeah. I don't know. Y'all tell me about it. Y'all had to school me on this. The only person I know that rock New Balance is Kawhi Leonard, but that's them. Size 13 on them. Dead stock. We got a blue box, Nike box. It's got a supremacy tag on it. My heart dropped for a second. Then I realized they was AJKOs. AJKO price value actually is pretty up there, man. These are a dead stock pair. I'll tell y'all the size. It's size 12.5 on the box. Dead stock. Check them out. This is a pretty clean colorway. AJKOs. So out of the 8 pair I pulled, only 3 pair was used. This was a fire box. Fear of Gods, Off-White Prestos, Royal Ones, those New Balances. This box should be really, really profitable. I'll have the prices for everything down below like I always do. Everything will be double box shipped. Make sure you hit me up. Follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE. That's Instagram, Twitter, and TGOTSOLE for sale on IG also, man. Make sure you guys follow that for sale page. I should be running the story sale here soon because I got at least 5, well, with this video, it's like 5 boxes total, so I should have plenty of content for you guys, man. Thank you for your time. Appreciate you watching. Make sure you hit that sub button if you just stumbled upon this video. And I'm gonna try to get this other video knocked out. So if y'all see me wearing the same thing, don't talk too bad about me. That's it. I'm out. Peace.